literal na tumatakbo. Tingnan natin, kasi siyempre ito ay isang gusto niyang patunayan na siya po ay healthy at walang problema sa kanyang kalusugan. Tingnan nga natin muna ang kanyang pagja-jogging ngayon. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, so nakita ninyo kung paano niya hilain yung mga media. O, halik kayo, meron tayong gagawing pakulo. Ayan. So, sabi niya dito, kailangan niyang ipakita. Ayan.
Sa heart rate. So 130 beats per minute.
And that's daily, sir?
No,
How often, sir?
I try for 4 times a week. I try for 2
Nakita ninyo yung immediate, yung sudden shift or sudden change nung kanyang pakikitungo sa public or sa media. Ganito yung si VP Sara yung parang alam mo very friendly sa mga media. Kita mo siya dito, parang meron na siyang gustong ipamukha na eto ako. Parang ano siya, hali kayo. Welcome kayo. Yan, welcome kayo sa mga tanong. Hindi na siya umiiwas Kasi alam niyo kung bakit ganitong ginagawa ng isang tao. Kasi meron siyang gustong pagtakpan. Meron siyang gustong patunayan at gustong pagtakpan. Kaya alam mo yun, behind of all of this na iniisip ng taong bayan na may problema sa kanyang health, kailangan niyang lumabas ng ganito. Kasi sabi niya dito sa kailangan nanahimik muna daw siya. Kumbaga hinayaan niya muna. Tignan natin na yan.
Wait lang.
I work towards a heart rate. So 130 beats per minute.
And that's daily, sir?
No,
How often, sir?
I try for 4 times a week. I try for 2 days on, 1 day rest. 2 days on, 1 day rest.
Sir, before you were very quiet about answering your bashers and trolls. What was the breaking point? What was the tipping point? Bakit kayo nag-decide?
O diba, anong sabi niya? Before quiet kayo, ano yung sudden change? Ano yung tipping point?
Attacking otherwise today.
I don't want people to think that
I don't want people to worry? Huh? It's the other way around. Kailangan mong sagutin para hindi magtaka at mag-worry ang tao.
them. Because sa dami ng problema natin na hinaharap.
Ay wow, nagsalita.
Sa dami ng hinaharap natin problema,
Ay wow, as in, parang hinaharap niya.
that will be an additional problem of concern for our people. The easiest way is to show that I'm still very active physically.
The easiest way is to show, you're having a dinner, habang ang taong bayan, taggutom, taghirap.
Okay, thank you, sir. Salamat. Thank you, sir.
Ayan, takbo ulit. Bo. Anong klaseng takbo yan?
Wait lang.
Takbong bakla. Takbong bading naman yan. Ano? Hindi mo maulog.
Tama na kunan nyo dito. Tama na. Tama na.
Diba, yung unusual ba, yung hindi niya normal na ginagawa, bigla niyang ginawa. Bakit? Kasi meron siyang pinagtatakban. Sabi nga niya dito, asan yung sabi niya dito? Tingnan natin. Pagpasok niya dito,
Gusto nyo mag-jumping jack?
diba? Bigla siyang naging funny, bigla siyang naging, alam mo yung may ginagaya. Hindi siya ganyan talaga normally. Tingnan natin
Ang bira. Can you tell everyone na maganda lang sa lukuhan Ayan.
Tingnan niyo kung ano yung mapansin ninyo dito.
This is, hindi ito, hindi
Sabi niya kasi okay siya.
it's at the tape. It is, I am carrying my statement for this afternoon, which is what I'm going to make. It is
Pansinin ninyo yung hininga niya. Okay daw siya. Pansinin niyo. Every line na sasabi niya.
April 14, we're going to talk about the excise tax. So this is by...
Kita nyo? Di ba ang haba? Okay ba daw yun? Huwag kami pinagloloko mo.
Today. And I challenge...
I challenge. Grabe namang I challenge. Ganun. I challenge. Alam mo, sa kakaportray mo ng ganyan na okay ka. It is just a matter of time. It is around the corner. Hindi mo alam, bukas makalawa, the next week, the next days, hindi mo alam kasi kahit anong gawin mong pagtatakip, hindi mo maitatago yan. Maybe, for now, ginagawa mong joke, tatawa-tawa ka dyan, saya-saya ka now, pero baka mamaya, iyak ka later.
One who were saying that I am sick, that they come and exercise with me. We will
Exercise with me.
Come to the gym with me. Tingnan natin kung sino mas malakas magbuhat ng weight. Pero alam mo, gusto ko nga sabihin.
Ito yung facial gestures niya, yung demeanor niya, is a sign of guilty, sa totoo lang. Kasi, hindi siya normal eh. This is not his normal demeanor. He is trying to portray someone na very okay. Pero hindi niya maitatago yung kanyang hininga, yung kanyang face, yung kanyang skin, yung balat, yung kulay niya na parang bangkay na.
Ang mga kababayan naman natin, ngayon, tiniyak ko na makita
If I know, kagagaling ka lang sa sa ospital Bakit ka nawawala for few days?
ninyo na hindi totoo yung mga sinasabi nila. Nakasinungalingan yan. Kaya mula ngayon,
Pwede ba magpahinga ka muna?
yung mga taong yan na nagsabi sa inyo na may sakit ako, na baldado na ako, alam ninyo,
Galit na siya.
puro sinungaling ng mga yan. Kaya't lahat ng sasabihin ng mga yan, kasinungalingan. Kaya't huwag nyo nang paniwalaan kung sino man yung mga yun. Now you know
Bakit ganyan yung hininga mo?
the liars are and who is telling
Ako hirap na hirap sa'yo. Ako nahihirapan.
the truth. And once again, I think it's very, very easy and very clear that
Kailangan mo ata ng dextrose
I'm in
or yung breathing apparatus.
very good health. I just had everything. My numbers are. I just had my regular blood test kasi nagpapaano ako ng vitamins and everything. And I'm fine. I'm really quite fine. The last time that I went to the hospital was to have my CAT scan to show na yung diverticulitis
Bakit ka nagpa-CAT scan, di ba? So you're not well.
gumaling na. So that was what? 2.5, 3 months ago. Mga ganon. So that's all these reports of me going to the hospital. I haven't been to the hospital for 3 months, and even then it was just to have a
Unless nagpa-surgery ka, pwedeng maagapan yung diverticulitis mo. Pero kung hindi ka nagpa-surgery, yung mga bag dyan sa diverticulitis mo, kailangan mong i-maintain yan. Sa pagkain mo, maraming bawal yan. Pero wala ka namang ibinalita na ikaw ay nagpa-surgery.
CAT scan, because the CAT scan to tell my doctors if the diverticulitis has completely been fixed, and it was, and I'm done.
Paano ma-fix kung hindi ka nagpa-surgery?
My diet is back to normal. My exercise is back to normal. I still exercise 3-4 times a week.
Back to normal daw yung diet.
I'm watching my food better than before.
Bakit mo yun na-watch yung food mo kung okay na yung diverticulitis mo? Di ba? Ano siya contradictory eh.
But so people. I'm sorry. Maintenance medicine for I have okay.
May maintenance ka din.
One for gout, which is lupurinol. Mga nasa lahi namin mga Ilocano magka-gout eh. And the other is
Ikaw lang yun.
for high blood pressure, for hypertension. Those are the only 2 medicines that I take. The others that I take are nothing really. When I have allergies, I take an antihistamine. Pero wala naman ngayon. Aside from that, that's it. That's it. I'm not a great believer in supplements. If you eat well and you exercise regularly and you get regular sleep, yun lang medyo kulang ako yung tulog. But otherwise, everything is normal. And I'm happy to say that I'm healthy. You want me to do more jumping jack? Army dozen. I can do the army dozen. Nag-army dozen ako kuminsan. All right. Anyway, down to serious business. I'd like to cover some points that we have been discussing again together with the different agencies and including the Uplift committee, and we have some further announcements. Well, first of all, it is we are able to say that these are the steps that we have been taking so that we are trying to alleviate and try to mitigate the effects of the oil crisis. Umaasa sana kami na maganda na yung maging peace.
Ba't ganun ba't lumulunok ka? Akala ko ba okay yung health mo?
Talks between the US and Iran. Ngunit mukhang hindi sila nakabuo ng deal na produkto na hindi na basta iniiwang na lang masira dahil masyadong masyadong mababa na ang profit. Halos walang kikitain. Kaya since wala
Saan yung gagawin mo doon?
dahil tumaas yung
Ano solution mo?
presyo ng lahat
Tatakbo?
at ganun pa rin ang presyo ng pagbenta ay iiwasan natin yon. Kaya naman para yung mga farmer natin, yung mga producers natin ay meron this. That is something that we have attended to. All right, so that's basically the announcement for today. I know that people have been asking about what we are going to do about the excise tax. I hope I have provided the answer for you today. And
Bakit namamanas siya eh?
that will be again a point of discussion for us tomorrow at the Uplift meeting. And that's it for now. Thank you.
Sir, how about the VAT?
Sabay alis agad eh. Namamanas sa'yo. Kaya yung mukha niya namamanas. Hindi talaga okay yan. Huwag na niya tayong linlangin. Oh.
And that's it for now. Thank you.
Sabay takas.
The VAT po on
How
oil
about-
products. Will it be discussed din sa Uplift meeting? Yung sa VAT, there are also put
Manas na manas oh.
I think it's time to explain. Here's the thing with the VAT, especially the VAT on oil, on petroleum products. The VAT on petroleum
Malapit na to.
products.
Hindi, malapit na to sa totoo lang.
We are going to get a windfall profit from that because tumaas yung presyo ng crudo. And because of that, all the importations will have at the present VAT rate, we will get funds from extra funds from that. Those if we take away the VAT on petroleum products, it will only help the petroleum market. What we need is funding to help the entire society. Hindi pwedeng yun lang, titignan lang natin is the petroleum. Kasi sinasabi ng mga tao, bakit puro transport workers ang tinutulungan nyo? Paano kami? Bakit the other? We also have to take care of the other sectors. So with the additional funding that we will get from the VAT collections, yun ang gagamitin ngayon natin to provide.
Nako. Pansamantala nga lang eh. Grabe kayo kung nakaw yung flood control, yung program appropriations ninyo, 800 billion to trillions ang binulsa ninyo. Tapos, yung mawawalan na profit na 200 to 250 billion in a year sa VAT natin, para kayong mawawalan ng maibubulsa? Yun nga yung point ng taong bayan, pansamantala lang naman ito dahil sa crisis ngayon. Sana kung hindi kayo ng bulsa o tignan mo tuloy yung mukha mo, namamanas. Pag daw namamanas ang mukha, ang mga posibilidad na sakit nito ay sakit sa bato, sakit sa atay, ayan, infection, allergic reaction, autoimmune disorder, I think sakit sa atay ito, sakit sa atay o sakit sa bato. Oo, kasi namamanas ang mukha mo eh. Tanungin natin si Doc Alvin.
That fund will not exist if we
So, yan
remove the
Tingnan
VAT
natin
on
kung
petroleum
meron pa.
products alone. So that studied very well. Have to provide now to people to normalize people's lives. We'll discuss tomorrow.
Nagmamadali, no? Tumatakbo eh. Si VP sabi niya, wala na kayong tanong?
All right, thank you. Can you take my picture? I will run back.
Tignan natin. Sige. Tignan natin. Ganyan-ganyan ka ngayon, ha? Tignan natin.
Mga kapamilya, April. Sorry po.
Sige nga, takbo.
Tama-tama, papunta ako sa gym mamaya.
Sige nga, takbo ka nga.
So how's your regular exercise routine like? What do you do?
I do weights and then I go on the elliptical machine. Once I average my more or less I work towards a heart rate. So 130 beats per minute.
That's daily, sir?
No. I try for 4 times a week.
Okay. So, nakita nyo naman, napansin ninyo, hingal na hingal siya. Hindi pa siya tumatakbo no, nag-jumping jack lang. Hingal na hingal. Paano pa kaya yung tumakbo ng tumakbo? So, napansin ninyo, maaaring ngayon sasabihin niya okay siya, pero the traits that we are seeing cannot lie or will not lie. Halata sa hininga niya, sa manas ng mukha niya, sa skin niya, sa skin color niya. Hindi mo pwede maitago yan. Just a matter of time.